Well, hello. Welcome to GMRS Radio on a budget. I'm Alan, and today I have the Wouxun KG-805-G. Now this, I would say, would be probably a medium budget range. It's about $99.99 on buy2wayradios.com. And I'm in no way affiliated with Buy2Way Radios. Getting started, you got the 22 GMRS channels. You got 8 built-in GMRS repeater channels, up to 5 watts of power. I like that, up to 5 watts. So it's up to 128 custom channels. Now that doesn't mean you get 128 extra channels. That's just, you're using the same channels. It's just you have different these different CC or CTS, CSS or DCS tones that you can use to basically block everything else out, and you only hear whatever other radio is programmed with the same tones. It's got a super heterodyne receiver, which that means it's one of the better receivers. If it's a non-heterodyne, that means it's just a little circuit board or something, and yeah, they're cheaply made. It's got 3-color backlit display, multi-display modes, backlit keys, channel scan, VOX transmit. That means you can set it where it's hands-free. You can set the sensitivity of the VOX so it'll just pick up your voice and transmit. You got split tones, tone support, alarm function. I think I was reading on that a little bit, and it said you had to use the software or something to go in and set up an alarm function on it. Busy channel lockout, high-low power selectable. A lot of these features a normal person is probably not going to use. And then your frequency range is 400 to 479.995 megahertz. Your transmit is 462 to 550 to 462.725 and GMRS 1 through 7 and 15 to 22, and then your 467.550, 467.725 megahertz for your 8 through 14 repeater channels. It does have an FM radio in with it. English voice prompts, so hey, if you speak English you can understand what they're telling you. 2 configurable side keys. That's these 2 keys over here. Yeah, over here. And key lock. Yeah, that's one thing about this one here. It doesn't have a whole bunch of buttons down here. Got your menu up and down and exit buttons. So not a whole lot. And then you got this software support. And then it's IP55 water resistant, which means maybe a little rain, a little spray, mist, stuff like that. It's not submersible, so don't submerge it. Anyway, when you turn it on,
channel mode 2, 3.
channel 23, which is repeater 15.
2.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and check the power output here. Okay, I've got my 50 watt dummy load there, and we'll hook the radio up.
Channel mode 2, 1.
Turn the power on. Down. Okay, we'll go ahead and key it up and see what kind of power we got. 4.67 watts, 4.58. It's kind of dropping. A little over 4.5 watts. I think that's really good for a handheld. Like I say, they say up to 5 watts, and like I said, manufacturers probably won't push it really to the 5 watts, because should it exceed 5 watts a little bit, well, if it exceeds 5 watts, it's they may get a recall FCC may say, too much power, recall it. You know, then they're going to have to pull all them back and lose a lot of money on that deal. So yeah, 4.48 watts, about 4.5, and you can see over here the frequency we're running on. So it isn't the best meter. It's, you know, $57 meter. It's fairly accurate, but I wouldn't say it's 100% accurate. So, you know, we could actually be pushing a little more power than what it's showing. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if well, for anything really, if whether you like the video, not like it, or other things you might like me to show. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.